There are 2 billion hectares of degraded land worldwide. Space for trees to grow, communities to benefit, and ecosystems to thrive. At LandLife Company, we have one mission: to restore, answering nature-based questions with nature-based solutions. Rebuilding ecosystems is at our core. We plant trees and grow forests, and with that, there is so much to gain. Boost biodiversity, improve groundwater, stabilize soil, cooling effects, remove CO2, and promoting the fall of rain. The problem isn't small, so we plant trees at scale. Our projects are designed by science and enabled by the technology we develop. With monitoring, data, and AI, we are transparent with every detail. A shared challenge is a shared solution. So we work together with landowners, companies, local communities, NGOs, academia. Collectively, we have the power to make changes we can measure. At LandLife Company, we believe all this is possible, and we believe this power is in a tree. To bring back nature to a healthy level, creating impact you can see.